Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
These are rooms in a house. This is the kitchen, where you cook. This is the bedroom, where you sleep. We also have a bathroom and a living room.
Let's look at the cat. The cat is next to the sofa. Now it is in front of the TV. And now it is hiding behind the curtain.
We use there is for one thing. There is a sofa. We use there are for two or more things. There are 3 pictures on the wall. My roof is broken. I will not fix it myself. I will pay someone to fix it. This means I will have the roof repaired. Another person does the work. Let's learn furniture words. A house has a table and a chair. It has a bed for sleeping and a sofa for sitting in the living room. Look at the book's location. The book is in the bag. Now the book is on the table. And now the book is under the chair. Let's talk about the past. In my old room, there was one bed. It was small. There were many toys on the floor. I loved my toys. Your room is messy. You need to clean up the mess. After you clean, you must put away your clothes in the correct place, like the wardrobe. I live in a small apartment. I am not happy about this. I want a big garden. I can say, I wish I had a bigger garden. When you find something like a wallet, you can ask about the owner. You can ask, whose is this wallet? Or, whose wallet is this?